How to make Ubisoft account. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can register or enroll for Ubisoft account. So for that, open up a web browser of your choice and on the web address bar, type in www.ubisoft.com. It's going to direct you to the official web page of Ubisoft. Now once you're on this page, go ahead and tap on the profile icon located right on top. So then to begin with the registration process, a pop-up window is going to appear right in front of your screen. Now click on create an account, which is right on top. If you already have an account, then you can just go ahead and enter in your credential and log in into your account. So to begin with the registration process, you need to provide in the email address, also type in twice for the confirmation, create a password and set a username. Now quickly enter in all of these information. For the age verification, you also need to type in the date of birth. Now once you've done with this procedure, also accept to all of these terms and conditions. Click on create a Ubisoft account, which is right at the bottom. Now you'll need to enter in the verification code that will be sent to the registered email address in order to verify your email. As you can see, in my case, I've already received the verification code. All you have to do is just copy this verification code and then paste it on the side. You need to paste the verification code right over here. Now once you're done entering the verification code, click on create account, which is right at the bottom. So as you can see that the account has been created, now you can explore Ubisoft account. In this way, you can create a Ubisoft account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.